What's going on YouTube? I still haven't gotten the motor. I'm still waiting. He said Saturday. Hopefully I'll get it Saturday so I can throw out that video. But I wanted to show you, I did the roll bar. It didn't work out. So what I did was I ordered one of these bars and I attached them to the, it's on there all the way through. For the seat belt, I got the seats coming. I should get that this week. And the seat belt, I'll throw another video on that. I gotta rerun those wires underneath the carpet. You don't see it when I put the amps. Probably get 2 Fosgates, one for the front to run the fronts and the other one for the 2 subs, so I should be okay. Yeah, I got my racing seat adapters right there, over there too. So I'm starting to work on the inside. I didn't really want to add on these how you call it, these hinges. I'll probably get the vertical door hinges. I was thinking about it because it would, I don't know if I should, but these doors, they have a tendency to sag. You can see I could pull them up and down. They sag. So I was reading that them things, you can still open them up regular, or you could bring them up, whatever. I'll probably put them on there just because I can't have this door sagging. It's breaking the inside of my door, so I'll probably have those. I'll probably put those in there and install those. I got the seats, the belts, and I got the E-batch springs, lowering springs, the pros. They're coming in. Now that I got my struts all out here, I'm gonna just change them out while I'm doing it. The back's easy. Just take out the bolt for one of the bolts for the back shock, and then drop it and pull it out. The front, I have access to it. It's right there, so I'll just compress it, put the new springs in, and call it a day. Now that I got everything out, but yeah, I'm still waiting. Hopefully, I'll get this thing Saturday. I could fix this car Saturday. I've been buffing the paint job that I did on the firewall. So hopefully, I got a better buffer than that coming. I got a mini buffer. So I'm gonna do all that up. This one just not turns. Those are just for shoes, but I use it just for, But anyway, I'm gonna buff everything out so it's nice and smooth and shiny. And hopefully I could get this thing back together by Saturday. Saturday night I could get the motor done. Sunday I could probably put it in the car, and Monday I could probably get it turned on. So we'll see. I just wanted to throw out a short video on the seatbelt bar. If you guys wondering, because this length is real tough to get on here, it's 49 inches. I don't have 49 inches, and as well as you know, the seatbelt's on top of the roof. You won't be able to put this, so I tried a roll bar and then attach it to that. It didn't work. So it will work if you put the hinges in and out that way. And then in the back of the seat, when you drop the seat, there's like a little lock bolt there. You take that out, attach it to that, screw it in, and you're golden. And then I ran the side supports all the way to the side of the car, which I had to go get some new bolts because it wasn't long enough, because I have to attach the seat belts to here and right there in the floor. So yeah, I'll keep throwing out videos. Thanks for watching. You guys stay safe. Bye.